Namaste.
Namaskar. Tell me something about yourself.
I'm Anusha. I'm currently pursuing my masters here in Massachusetts Institute of Technology in USA, and currently I'm working for Johnson and Johnson in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Okay, coming to the point, tell me something about the camps that you attend in Kerala under the uh,
Mentorship of Dr.
mentorship
T.P.
of Dr.
Shashikumar. Yeah, I
T.P.
know.
Shashikumar.
Yeah, I have attended almost per se some 18 camps so far since 2014, and currently we are in 2017. Yeah, so it's around 3 years and 18 camps.
How these camps have benefited you?
I should say I got benefited in a very good way through these camps, and these camps have actually helped me to gain more confidence and to enhance my personality. Yeah, and I got to learn great deal from these camps, be it from the elders who visit the camp or be it from the students who attend these camps. And even a practical way of leading life is actually taught through these camps by Chachu. I call Dr. T.P. Shashikumar sir as Chachu.
Very good. Anything that you experience is out of the way, or all usual things?
No,
that you do?
all those what I experience are out of the way there. So whatever we do so many activities over there, and every activity actually has so much to teach us actually. So it's every activity has a lesson actually along with it. So let it be something like dramas wherein he makes us into groups and makes us write our own drama and perform the drama. But then there goes a condition says that there shouldn't be any humans in the drama. No human characters at all. So imagine that is where when you wear your creative hats and you think that probably some sort of vehicles talking to each other. And I still remember some people actually made a drama wherein all the ornaments talking to each other or parts of the body talking to each other. So such creative events happen in our camps, and we get to learn a lot. We learn history, we learn polity, we learn geography. We learn many things over there, and also we have our Guruji's masters coming into the camp, and per se his physics sir Anandan master actually teaches us physics through he makes all the materials or equipments through waste material, which you never think that they'll be so useful. And his another sir Keshavan master, he comes and he teaches us Sanskrit and Malayalam. So it's really a great experience which we get there.
What will you tell a potential student who wishes to attend your camp?
I would say this is the right time. Come on, better late than never. So just come on, join the camp, and get benefited through it. Because I am someone who had experienced so many camps, and I keep coming for these camps because each and every camp is unique in itself, and each and every experience is unique in itself. And every time when I go for these camps, actually Chachu makes sure that there are at least more than 60 or 70% of the events which are not repeated. So every time you get to learn a lot, get to meet new people, and because of all this experience actually you gain a lot of confidence in your life to march ahead, and take whatever path you want to take. And even we have some activity wherein we call it as 2050, wherein you get to know what exactly is your interest and what exactly you want to become. So you don't even know that it's a career counseling what is happening there, but it looks more like a game, but then you get to know that your interest is in this particular field, and so that is really marvelous. So
What is the opinion of your parents?
okay.
Have they seen any change in you after attending the camps?
They have seen a lot of change, and all the time, you know, they keep saying that they have to thank Guruji for making me what I am today. And yeah, there's actually a lot of change. The Anusha which you are seeing presently, and the Anusha which probably somewhere around 2009 or 8 is entirely different. So I never gave importance to knowledge earlier, and now like everything I look around is a learning for me. So that is what the change what I got in me. So I give importance to everything now.
So you say all in all the package is paisa vasool package, huh?
Yes, all in all,
paisa.
it's all in all, it's a very good camp, and I would encourage each and every person to, you know, attend these camps and make better use of it. And thank you so much, my dear Papa, for asking so many questions. So see you then. Bye.